Similarly, we also said that the angles of a quadrilateral sum up to 360. Do you remember this? Yes? Yes, these are the basics. These are the basics of geometry. Today, I'm going to teach you one more topic, which is very, very important from geometry point of view. Okay, we are going to learn about parallel lines. Okay, if you remember last class, we did perpendicular lines. Yes, today I'm going to show you on the whiteboard how we go about it. And then I will show you your textbook where we can connect what we just learned. Okay, now if I talk about perpendicular lines, I'm very sure you have understood it is something like this. Yes, these two are perpendicular lines. Am I right? When I say that they are perpendicular lines, what is the main thing here? When can I call these two lines to be perpendicular lines?
When they intersect
When
each
they
other.
intersect.
When they intersect each other at 90 degrees. That is important. Okay. Can I call these two lines to be as perpendicular lines? Yes, Advait, can I call these two lines to be
No,
perpendicular?
ma'am, because they are not
No,
90 degrees.
because they are not intersecting each other at 90 degrees. We will call this set of lines to be intersecting lines. Okay. When we have intersecting lines, then we learned one thing, that was the angles which are opposite to each other are equal. Do you remember we called them VOA? Yes, Advait? Yes. Okay. Here again, I have one more set of vertical opposite angles, and that is this one and this one. Am I right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after we have learned about these perpendicular and intersecting lines, we are now going to learn about something called as parallel lines. Anybody who can give me a definition of parallel lines? What are parallel lines?
Which are same as the other.
Okay, you
No,
mean to
with
say
the same-
they need to be equal. This
They
is what
need
you're
to be
saying?
equal.
And ma'am, they don't
in length.
intersect. They don't intersect.
Okay, Ayan, can I call these two lines that I have drawn as parallel lines?
Yes.
Yes.
But they are not equal, Ayan.
But they are in the same angle.
So equal is not the thing. Okay, Ayan?
Same
Equal
angle.
होना जरूरी नहीं है. ठीक है? Only the point that is important is that these two lines should never meet each other. They should never intersect each other. Then you can call them as parallel lines. Okay, they should not
Yes.
intersect each other. That means they should be at equidistant from each other at all points of time. They should be equidistant from each other at all points of time. Have you understood what I'm trying to say, bachalo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now this is a set of parallel lines. We call this a set of parallel lines because they are not intersecting, or they will never intersect with each other, and the distance between these two lines is going to remain the same throughout. Then we call them parallel lines. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead more than this. Now supposing these two are parallel lines, and I have a line that is cutting these two lines. Okay, I call this line that is cutting these two lines as
Intersecting line.
a transversal.
Okay.
What do I call this line? I call this line as a transversal. Okay, and this transversal, when it cuts a set of parallel lines, you can see that 8 angles are formed. Can you see? See, I'll show you. I'll better number them, so it is easier for
Yeah,
you.
I see. I see.
Yes, I have 1 here. Okay. I have 2 here. Okay. 3 here. I have 4 here. Can you see? Similarly,
Yes, yes.
I have 5 here. Okay, we can see one more
Ma'am, you
angle
can do
here.
it from
Yes,
any
Syed.
side and it will do that.
6. Then I have 7. Okay, and then I have 8. Can you see
Ma'am, you
this?
can do that from any side and it will have 8 angles.
Then
Like if you have a set of parallel lines and if you put that transversal line anywhere, then it will have 8 angles.
yes, yes. If lines are parallel and a transversal is put to it, any set of parallel lines will always have 8 angles. Okay, wherever the transversal is. Like for example, if I have a transversal here, still you can see 8 angles. I have a transversal here, still you can see 8 angles. Yes or no? I have a transversal here, still you see 8 angles. Yes or no? I hope you understand. Anywhere, if it is a set of parallel lines, then it will form 8 angles, 4 on one line and 4 on the other line. Is it very clear? Now, these angles which are there, you will have to learn the relations between these angles. Now, when I say relations, no, you have to understand that angle 2 plus angle 1 is always going to be 180 degrees. Do you agree?
Yes.
What is the reason? Can you tell me the reason? Can I say they are in a straight line and they form a linear pair? Do you understand the word linear pair or do you understand that they are angles in a straight line?
Straight line.
Okay,
Straight
straight
line.
line is 180. Okay, so instead of writing the word linear pair, can I write angles of a straight line? And we know that they sum up to they sum up to 180. Yes. Now, can you tell me one more pair exactly like this? 2 plus 1 ke jaisa one more pair?
1 plus 2.
No, don't reverse it. It's one and the same, no? A plus B or B plus A is one and the same. Don't reverse it. Give me another
3
pair.
plus 1.
Pardon?
3 plus 1.
3 plus 1 is not going to be 180. 3 and 1, if you see, they are vertically opposite angles. Can you see this part? Vertically
Plain
opposite
one.
4
angles.
plus 1.
4 plus 1. Yes, 4 plus 1 can be.
Ma'am, can you explain once? 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1.
See. Now you have understood 2 plus 1. Yes, this angle and this angle, they are in a straight line. Yes,
ma'am.
so angles in a straight line are 180. This much is understood. Okay, now just look at 2 and 3. Are they again angles of a straight line? Look at it. Straight line hai aur
Yes.
angle bana hua hai. Yes.
Straight line.
Can you see the straight
I
line?
thought you were saying 1 plus
Yes,
2
Mohammed.
plus 3, 4 plus 1, 6 plus 7, 5 plus 8, 8 plus 7, 6 plus 5, and 3 plus 4.
All of them are going to be 180. Am I right?
Yes.
See, I will write the pair. Now I
So you
wrote.
were saying, no. I was thinking you said something like in the earlier class and you were telling from that. I didn't know you were telling from this.
Yeah,
I was
I'm
just
telling
thinking.
from this only,
Listen,
no, because
yeah, I didn't know that. That's why I was
yeah,
asking.
I'm talking what you can see. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 180 degrees. Similarly, can I say 2 plus 3 is also 180? Because they are angles of the straight line.
Yes.
Similarly, can I say 3 plus 4 is also 180?
Yes.
Yes.
6 plus 5.
Similarly,
6 plus
can I
5.
say 4 plus 1 is also 180?
Yes.
Yes, so I can see 4 linear pairs there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You want me to show them with the
So it
arrow?
would
I
be
will show
8.
you with the arrow. See, this is 1. Okay, then this is the second linear pair. Then I can see the third linear pair, and then I can see the fourth linear pair. And similarly,
So it
I'll
is
be
like
able
1,
to.
2, 3, 4. and then 5, 6, 7, 8.
It formed
So
a
there's 8.
360 degree.
Exactly. Similarly, I will be able to see this also as linear pairs. So 6 plus 5.
Ma'am, it's okay. It's line linear pairs. Now we know what is
Yes,
linear
Mohammed?
pairs. Ma'am, linear pairs means straight line, right?
Angles of a straight line. Yes.
Okay.
Angles of a straight line are called as linear pair. Today, tomorrow, you will have to learn it. It's better learn it now.
Yeah. Because
Yes.
instead of writing angles of a straight
Yeah.
line.
Instead of writing angles of a linear pair, you can straight away say linear pair, or you can say LP as your reason. Like how we did vertically opposite angles as VOA. Do you remember? Advait, are you in
Yes.
class? Are you paying attention, Advait? I can't see him paying attention.
His
Second.
internet got sick.
Okay. Now, after we have done this, okay, let me very quickly write the other 4 angles again that are making linear pair. Who will help me? Who will give me the numbers?
6 plus 7.
Ma'am, 6 plus 7.
Okay,
7
we
plus
start
8.
from
plus
6
5.
plus 8, 7 first, okay.
6
And
plus
then
7
5.
plus 8.
7 plus 8, okay.
6 plus 5.
8 plus 5.
8,
8 plus 5 and then 5 plus 6.
6 plus 5.
Yeah, ma'am. Before the 6 plus 7, can you put 6 plus 5?
can I put 5 plus 6 there?
5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. Yes, because
Yes.
it will go wrong.
Yes. So we have 5 plus 6, we have 6 plus 7, we have 7 plus 8, and we have 8 plus 5, all making 180. And I'm very sure that
360.
by now you have understood that they are going to be in angles in a straight line. That is, they are linear pair. They are going to form 180.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is what you were telling. If we knew, then it would be very good.
What you are saying,
Already?
beta?
You said na, that if you know this, it's very good. If you don't, I will explain to you. This is very important. So, this is what you were talking about.
Yes, yes.
Then we all know about it.
Okay. Is this much done, beta? Understood? Everybody is
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Now,
Yes.
now what I'm going to move is I'm going to move to the other type of angles that are made here. One is the linear pair. Okay. The other set of angles that we can see here are vertically opposite angles. Okay. So when I say vertically opposite angles, can I say 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles? Do you agree?
Yes.
1 and 3. 6
So they
and 8.
are going
5
to
and
be
7.
equal. Then I have 1 and 3, which is going to be equal. Now I'm not saying
Equal.
that they are going to make up to 180 or what they are going to make up to. I don't know.
Yes.
If, for example, angle 1 is 50, then angle 3 is also 50. If, for example, angle 2 is 75, then angle 4 is also 75. What am I saying here? They are equal. I'm not saying they are
Yes.
adding
You
up to
taught us
something.
yesterday.
Okay? Do you understand what I speak, beta? I am saying
Yes.
1 is equal to 3. I am saying 2 is equal to 4. And what is the
4.
reason
Yes.
that we are
They
going
are
to write
equal.
here? Yeah, what is the
VO
reason?
Vertically
Opposite
opposite angle.
Got it well?
Yes.
Like these two, we should have 2 more set of vertically opposite angles. What are they?
6 and 8, 7 and 5.
Yes.
Fine. Yes.
Yes. I hope you all are
So if-
understanding.
So if
See, this is
5
going to-
number is 30, like just saying it is B, 5 is B, and its angle is 30, so 7 will also be 30.
Exactly. Okay. All reason is same. Have you understood well till here also?
Yes.
I didn't understand the 1 equals the VOA one. part.
VOA is vertically opposite angles. They are opposite angles, and that is why we will say they are equal. Do you get it, Sayed?
Yes, ma'am.
See, that we have already learned in our last class. If you remember this part, we had learned in the last class where we called it
Yes, ma'am.
vertically opposite angles. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I am going to give you few questions where I want you all to answer. Are you all ready?
Yes.
I'm going to write the angle number and you will have to give me the other angles. Okay. Now, for example, angle 1 is, say, for example, 80. Okay, let me say more than 80 because it looks like more than 80. Okay, let me say angle 1
Ma'am,
is say
110.
120. Chalo. Now, if angle 1 is 120, Advait, what is 2?
It should be 60.
Very good. How do we get it, Advait?
180 minus 120 will be 60. So
Very
that's why
good.
it will be 60.
Very good, because we know 1 and 2, when they add up, they are going to become 180. Am I right? Okay. Now, I gave you just one angle, you found the other. Mohammed, can you tell me angle 3? What will be angle 3?
Ma'am, 120.
120. Tell me, how did you just guess it so very correctly?
Ma'am, vertically opposite angles.
Very good. Exactly. Ayan, what do you think 4 will be?
60.
Pardon?
60.
Again, vertically opposite angles, Ayan. So you can
Yes.
see that I told you only one angle and you were able to find all the others. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now I am going
Ma'am,
to show you.
one, when you showed 120, so 2 will be the half of 1, or will it
No,
be
no.
120 minus
will-
180?
It will be 180 minus 120. It will not
Okay.
be half. We are talking about this linear pair. Okay. Have you understood till this much, everybody? I have only taught you 2 properties. There are more to learn. If you want to copy this down, please copy this down in your book.
There are more to learn, or there are more to learn?
There are many more to learn. Okay, these are just 2 I have taught you. Then with just one angle, you will be able to find all 8. I'm going to teach you something like this, that if I give you just one angle, you will be able to find all 8.
Ma'am, I learned this in my old school.
That's fantastic. I told you, if you know it, it's fantastic. So Sayed, can you help me? What is 6? Angle 6?
Ma'am, I can't see the screen properly. Which angle 6?
I'm talking about this angle here. Can you
Oh,
help
okay,
me?
okay.
What
Now
is
I can
6?
see. 60, ma'am.
Yeah, how and what reason can you give, Sayed?
Ma'am, I forgot the names, but I know how to do it.
Okay, no problem. Okay, chalo. Have you understood so much? Have you
Yes,
written
ma'am.
it down? Can I go ahead? Or even if you have taken a screenshot, whatever is your wish. Can
It's
we go
okay,
ahead?
ma'am. Remember. I remember.
Can I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to clear the board. Entirely clear. I'm going to clear the board and I'm going to start again. Okay.
Start.
Yeah. Now you know that we are learning about parallel lines. Correct? We know that these 2 lines are parallel. Okay.
Yes.
And we know that we have a
No, what was
transversal
the
here.
other line? Parallel line and?
Transversal.
No, parallel line and what was the other one?
Perpendicular.
Line? Yes, okay.
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
If I have to say, I will say this is line L. I will call this as line M. Okay, and let my transversal be O. Okay. Now I will write it like that. L is parallel to M. You can give this sign as parallel sign because you can see parallel lines. I can say line L is parallel to M. Yes, O is the transversal. Okay. Now I'm going to write the number of the angles. Okay. Again, I start with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Now we know that 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 1 is 180. We also know 5 plus 6, 6 plus 7, 7 plus 8, 8 plus 5 is 180 because they are angles in linear pair. Okay. We also know angle 1 is equal to 3. We also know angle 2 is equal to 4. I know angle 5 is equal to 7. I know angle 6 is equal to 8. And the reason is vertically opposite angles. Am I right? Now we are going to learn a new set of angles, and those angles are called as interior angles. Do you understand interior angles? They are
Yes.
angles which are inside the parallel
Inside
line.
the parallel line.
Okay. Like
And
for
exterior are
example,
7 and 8.
7 and 8 कैसे होगा बेटा? It is 4 and 5 ना? Inside the parallel lines, right? Can you see this?
It is
Yes,
outside the parallel line. 7 and 8.
Side. Where is the parallel
3 and
line?
6
Tell me.
also.
These two are the parallel lines. Am I
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So they are
LNS.
inside the parallel lines, right?
Yes, 4 and 5 and 3 and 6.
Inside the parallel lines. Correct? Like how 4 and 5 are interior angles, similarly 3 and 6 are also interior angles.
Interior angle.
And the property that is about interior angles is that the sum of interior angles is also 180. You get me right? Okay, so I will
Yes.
say 4 plus 5 is equal to 180. Can I say that? Similarly, I will say 3 plus 6 is also equal to 180. Do you get me? Interior angles
Yes, ma'am.
are equal to 180. Got me? Now, if you remember the example that I gave you, I had told you that 1 was 120. Therefore, we found 2 as 60. Am I right? And then we said, because 1 was 120, our 3 is also 120 because of vertically opposite angles. Tell me yes or no? Yes?
Yes, and 4
Now,
is also 60.
yes, 4 is 60. Okay. Now, with the help of these 4 angles, if I want to find angle 6, how will I find angle 6? 3 and 6 are going to make 180 because 3 and 6 are what? Interior angles.
Interior.
Okay. So what is 6 going to be? Tell me.
60.
60.
Got it well? Now, if I try to
Yes.
find out 5, tell me what is 5 going to be?
Ma'am, it is
One-
because you took 3 is 120 and you minus it with 180
Yes.
and then you put it on 6.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, if I have to find 5,
120.
minus 60, 120.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you understanding what I'm doing?
And
Yes, ma'am.
7 is 120, 8 is 60.
Exactly, vertically opposite angles. Got it? So with one angle, we can find so many of them. And when we are doing this, by doing this, we have understood one more thing. And that one more thing is that 60, that is 2, angle 2 and angle 6 are equal. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I was
And-
about to say that.
Yeah, and then we have also learned that angle 1 is equal to angle 5.
All the odd numbers are equal and all the even numbers are equal.
Because I've numbered them like that, no? Got it? What we understand that 2 is equal to 6, 1 is equal to 5, 3 is equal to 7, 4 is equal to 8. And we call these angles to be corresponding angles. Do you understand? One more new name you are learning.
Now, if you tell me so many angles, I'll forget my name.
That
My
is why I
name is
asked you to
geometry.
write it down.
He'll say, my name is Mohammed Angle.
Hmm.
Okay, corresponding angles. Who can give me corresponding angles ka set of corresponding angles?
From this,
2,
Yes.
6, 4, 8.
Okay, can I say 2 is equal to 6 corresponding angles?
yes.
1 is
yes.
4 is
equal to
equals to
5.
8.
1 is equal to 5, 4 is
Yeah.
equal to
4 is
8, and
equal
3
to
equals
8.
7.
3 is
3
equals
is
to
equal
7.
to 7. 4 is equal to 8. And we can call all these as corresponding angles.
Ma'am, this is very important to learn, right?
Yes, it is very important to learn, beta.
Yeah, so
Because
I'll
as
write
you
on the
grow
page only.
ahead, like in the higher grades, they are not going to teach you again what are corresponding angles. They are going to give you one angle. They are going to ask you to find others and give reasons. So at that time, like how Syed said, I forgot what is the name. Yes, Syed, now have you remembered it? Corresponding angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after this set, okay, I'm going to show you one more set of angles that are equal. Okay. And we will name them also.
Ma'am, can you show the third one? Ma'am, can you show the third one?
Now we have understood
Can you show the third one?
that 3 and 5 are also equal. Yes or no? Yes, Advait, you've raised your hand. Tell me.
Ma'am, I found a corresponding angle in real life.
Tell me
Ayan and Muhammad.
how they are corresponding. Tell me.
Both of them are corresponding.
On
Continuously talking.
the grid. On your camera
We're
grid.
not talking. We are not talking.
Not now, but
We
you
are
are.
answering.
You guys are.
We are answering. Now, can we just focus on the studies?
No, you can't.
Yes, we should
I'll
actually.
distract you continuously every day.
So, ma'am, remove him.
Okay.
Ma'am, there are only 5 of us left in this meeting. Everyone else left.
I don't mind.
In the next class, we'll be just 4. In the last class, we'll be just 3. The number decreases every day, ma'am. It
Yeah,
happens
is it like
every day.
that?
Yes, every day.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
in the last class
Yesterday, same
yesterday,
thing.
yesterday also we had like 3 students, I think. Yes, 3 or
Oh
2.
God.
3 students.
I don't
Me,
know what
Ayan,
happened
and Muhammad.
to all of
Us 3
the
only.
students and everything.
In English class, that's what happened.
Oh God.
So, ma'am, instead of teaching, she played a game.
That's nice.
Because how will
That's-
she teach?
He
Yeah.
played Kahoot.
We made her
Everybody
play
is like-
also.
Okay. Chalo, let us learn this set of angles. You know 3
Okay.
is equal to 5. Am I right?
Yes.
And we also know that 4 is equal to 6. Tell me yes,
Yes.
or no. Yes.
Because they
4
are
is
both
going to
same.
be equal to 6. We will call these angles that form a Z. Can you see Z? When I say Z, I'm talking about this Z. See,
Oh.
this is how you're going to remember them as alternate angles. Can you see this Z made? Yes. And you can see one more on this side. This is just for your remembrance. Okay. See like this. Can you
made
see it,
an
Bacha?
eye.
Yes. Now these are alternate interior angles because they are inside the parallel lines. Similarly, if you see 1 and 7 is also going to be same. Yes or no? Because they are also forming a Z, but the angles are outside. So alternate exterior
Alternate
angles.
exterior angle.
Yes. Yes.
Alternate
2 and
interior and
8.
exterior.
2 and 8 is alternate exterior angles.
Exterior angle.
Yeah. So in alternate
1 and
angles,
7
we will
also.
have 2 groups. One will be alternate interior angles And when we talk about interior angles, it is going to be 3 is equal to 5 and it is going to be 4 equal to 6. Do you agree? And
Yes.
alternate exterior angles, what are they going to be? Tell me. 1
2
is
and
equal to
8. 2
7.
is equal to 8 and 7 is equals to 1.
Exactly. Advain, are you understanding what I'm teaching?
Or do you still want to talk rough talk?
Now, if you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot. If you want to write it down, please write it down because these are very important from your exam
Ma'am, you will
point of
put
view.
a recording, right?
I'm going to
on
post the
YouTube?
recording. Yes, I'm going
Yes,
to
I'll
post the
write every single thing.
Okay.
I wrote on the page like the heading, important angles.
Yes, very good. Can I
Important
erase
angle.
this now? Sakib,
Yes.
ठीक के हो गया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't read it.
Okay, I'm erasing it, huh? And then I'm going to your textbook now so that we can talk about what we've just learned.
Ma'am, we talked for 37 minutes.
Yeah, we're just going to do it two minutes more. Yes, Advait.
The people who didn't join the class will fail the exam.
They
Yeah,
will watch. They will
Yes,
watch
yes.
the video.
Ma'am,
But
don't
ma'am,
post
they
the
have
video.
some
Don't
questions.
post the video. Ma'am,
Just
don't
send
post
us
the
the
video.
video. Post the
Ma'am,
video,
we'll
but
talk.
make it unlisted. So no one
Yeah.
can see it. Just the people with the link can see the video.
Okay. Now just look at
Ma'am, let
these
us
two
stop
sets.
at this exam.
Chalo, very
Don't
quickly. We'll
post
not
the
waste time. Huh? I only want to do question number 3. Others I'm not going to do.
Okay.
Only question 3. Lines WX and YZ are parallel. Can you see? These two lines are parallel. Okay, they have just given you one angle that is 77. Can you tell me what is A? How much is A?
What?
If the angle that they
Mom,
have given is
133.
77, what is angle A?
133, 133, 133.
103.
No.
Yeah,
no,
sorry, 103.
No.
Huh?
Angle A with 77.
77. Yes, vertically opposite angles.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes.
C
So
will
angle
be
A is also
103.
going to be 77. And what reason are we going to write? Vertically
VOA.
opposite angles.
And
Okay.
ma'am, C will be 103.
103.
Yeah, wait. Because
How will C
77.
be? How will C be 103? Tell me.
Ma'am, because 77 minus 180.
77.
C is also 77.
It's
And
not
how do-
vertically opposite.
How do we
angles.
get? No, it is not vertically opposite angles. But how it is 77? Tell me. No, it is not 77. It won't be
I am
77. See,
77.
this is 77. So how much is this going to be? This part 103?
This.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if this part is 103, tell me what is this part going to be? 77 interior angles? Yes. And if this is 77, tell me what is this going to be?
103.
103. Then the B will be 77.
Yes, exactly.
And the angle next to it will be 103.
Very
Only
good.
two numbers
Yes.
repeating.
Repeating. Have you understood how we did it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let me take a screenshot.
Yeah, just a moment. I'll write the values just for the ones that are asked, not all the values. And we have also learned how we've got that. What are the reasons that you will write? You will say angle A is 77 because of vertically opposite angles. Okay. And here what we can do is we can just write one alphabet like that. Okay, E here, saying that E is 77. Why is E 77? Because it is making an alternate angle with A. Can you see that? A is going to be equal to E. Do you agree, bacha log?
Yes.
A is going to be equal to E, and the reason is alternate interior angle. Am I right? Yes. And then I can say,
103.
I can say,
103, so B will be also.
I can say
So
E
B
plus
will be
C.
77.
E plus C is equal to 180. Why is E plus C equal to 180? I can say they are in linear pair. Am I right?
Linear path.
Yes. So therefore, I can say C is equal to 180 minus 77, that is 103. Am I right?
Ma'am, what's the value of E?
Ma'am, so
E is
103, if
77
they
now.
ask,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
if they
What?
ask, so 103, if they ask, if they give like angle here, then 103 will come there, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Once I have found out C, I will say C plus B is equal to 180. Can you tell me why? Again, they are angles in linear pair. Okay. C I have got as 103. Therefore, I will say B is equal to 77. Now you can take
77
a
and E.
screenshot because now it is with all the reasons. This is how you're going to write. If they ask you the value of A, B, and C, you will always
That-
give a reason. Okay? You will not do anything without a reason. Like for example, यहाँ पे E alphabet was not given to us. So we wrote E. We can do that. We wrote E. We compared it with A, saying it is alternate interior angle, it's equal. And then we went ahead with the sum. Have you understood well till here, bacha log? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Today we have learned angles formed by parallel lines. Okay, so I'm going to label the video also in that manner. Angles formed by parallel lines. And I will give it the
Okay,
context
ma'am.
of 5.4. Okay, I will say 5.4 question number 3, and in bracket I will write angles formed by parallel lines. Is it very clear? So we end the meeting
Yes.
now. So we do one thing, we end the meeting now. Okay. Chalo, bye bye.
Bye,
Have a
ma'am.
great day.